I'm back again. Today we're going to learn more about slime. So, as you know, I do slime videos. My name's Aaliyah. If you want to subscribe to my YouTube channel, it's called Kitties. If you would like to subscribe to it, I would love you too. It would be so nice. But let's learn more about slime. Some of you guys might already know some of these, so yeah. First of all, you can't leave slime out. You're not allowed to leave this slime out. Because if you do that, then it might dry out and you won't have it again. Unless you put the lid on it. Another thing about it, if you get it dirty, like really dirty, and you can't get all the stuff out of it, you should just not get it dirty. If there's just a little bit dirt in it, then just pick it out, please. Like, I don't want your slime getting dirty or anything. Mine already got kind of dirty, so I had to take all the stuff off. But I do slime videos, and I love slime. I do it every single day. So I post it at like around, I don't know. I post like 2 every day. So if you would love to watch those, it would be great. Yeah, I just posted a new one earlier. So if you would love to help me with this and get to 10 million subscribers, I would love you to. And let's get back into the video. And you can't do this. If you find brown slime and it looks kind of dirty in the store, that means someone actually used it. And that's all of them. Let's get 1,000 likes on this video if you want me to do a part 2. Bye.